How to use event handling in Lambda expressions in Kotlin. Example: tired of tangled callback spaghetti code cluttering your Kotlin apps? Learn how Kotlin's slick Lambda expressions and built-in event handlers let you write cleaner, event-driven code that's easier to read and maintain. I'll explain it all clearly in 10 minutes with helpful examples you can apply immediately. How to use event handling in Lambda expressions in Kotlin. Example: Lambdas are extremely useful for event handling in Android GUI apps by running code when events occur. An example of this that I show here is the button.setOnClickListener, and then in the curly braces, which is the Lambda, we have a display alert dialog function which activates when the button is clicked. Therefore, there's no need to create single method interfaces, and you can also use Lambdas for asynchronous event streams with RxJava, Flow APIs, etc. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.